Okay, time to do the first oil change after break-in. Got quite a few miles on this thing. I think it's time. It's getting a little gassy too. I'm having a problem with engine boil, so I need to get that out, or carb boil, or gas boil, vapor lock, whatever the hell you want to call it. But here's a dipstick. Looks pretty good. No sparklies, no shiny shit, no dirt, and looks like liquid metal in it like it did last time. So I think we're good. Back in your home. Get the filter off first. Alright, loose enough to get my hand in there now. Using a mobile one. Kind of nice. See if we can get a pan under it. And maybe I go up top, get this off. Can I reach it? Hell, I don't know. Probably not. Alright, we got it. See what it looks like. Looks like what oil should look like. Isn't all full of shit. I would say that's pretty normal. Before it was just terrible. Looked like silver anti-seize in it, but I think we're good. That's not bad. I mean, you're gonna expect a little bit of that, but my last one was horrible. And that's coming right out of the filter. See any sparklies or nothing. Alright, then we're going to do the oil drain next. Alright, let's get her out of here. Hopefully it hits that pan. That's right out of the bottom of the pan, so you're going to see a little whatever. I ain't seeing no sparklies. See it run over my finger. I think we're good. Just putting a new filter on. Gonna drop it in from the top. Just going hand tight. Okay, put the oil plug back in. Let's take a look at this oil. I'm not seeing anything but stuff wearing together. I don't see no fucking sparklies. No nothing. Good deal. I could almost reuse that oil in something. Not that I'm gonna, but All right, looks good. So we're gonna have to hold that. Putting VR 150 in it. Supposed to have all the stuff in it you need. And then just for safe measure, I'm gonna put about half of that in there. It says the whole thing, but that's supposed to have it in there. But I just wanted to be sure. Better safe than sorry. So let's get on her. Didn't fill the oil filter because it causes a mess when it goes in like that. So I bet Mom Mopar didn't fill them either. Oops. Little drippies. Down to the last drop. Like I said, I'm only going to put about half in. Looks about half. Good enough. Just to be sure. Just out of curiosity's sake, I'm going to pull the dipstick again to see where I'm at, just so I know what 5 quarts looks like on this thing. You can't hardly see it, but doesn't look like it's all drained down. And we'll start it and check it. Alright, we're going to start her up. Alright, oil change is done. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned. There'll be plenty more. I'm having some carburetor issues I'm going to have to go through. I think it's a vapor lock or something going on. I don't know. I got a rebuild kit for that Holly, but I got 2 other Hollies. We'll see. Thank you.